Alright guys, this is smoothie I bring for you guys. You that your sperm is light, is not thick. Your baby complain say your sperm is not thick. Even if you concept, you no go notice say you don't come. I better use this recipe. Na smoothie be this. This one na you go recharge your relationship and bounce back. If your relationship will go down, use this mixture. Blend it at home. You may not see it outside easily. So you go to any local market around you. Get the items. They are common as we are seeing them here. They are common. You get them anywhere around. You blend it very well. The taste is nice. You make your sperm thick.